up, y'all? It's CP, and today I'm going to be doing something pretty tight. I'm a cup noodle. I think I got a notification for this. I saw it online, but they have a cup noodle. Build your own cup noodle. Obviously, I'm very festive today. I got this in the mail a couple weeks ago, and I didn't really have time to build it. And so I wanted to do this on camera to show you this really awesome, basically figurine. The cup noodle figure. It smells like cup noodles. That's my costume. I think my costume's almost ready to be eaten. Just kidding, don't eat. Here is our toy that we're going to be building. It says, no eat, no put hot water, build. Oh, you'll need pliers, perfect. So this is the tool I have. So it's a little cutters. Ooh, all right, so we got a number of pieces here. A bunch of looking gear things. I wonder if this is like the lid. Like we have all the pieces for the logo, the noodles, the very important part. The noodles. Oh my God. This is amazing. Fake ramen noodles. The skeleton of the cup. Looking at some beef pieces, shrimp. This is probably more the logo. What's yellow? Corn. And of course our instruction manual. The sticker. This is like the lid. That's awesome. The details of the cup. We got some shrimp color, your ingredients, and a little open tab. It is time for us to start building this, but in a handheld form. Let's see. First, please note that assembling the kit in 3 minutes may be difficult. Goal? 3 minutes? Oh man, there's a lot of pieces. I don't know about that. So here's B4. G2. C3. C3. So first, we want to clip these snaps. Okay, so there's like a little circle right there. So that's where some of these ridges are going to attach. Very nice. Similar, there is another little ridge right there. And then it's gonna go with that little part that's sticking out. Wow! Gonna clip our piece here. Okay. Ooh, nice little border there. Uh-oh. In this gold piece, there's sort of like this clip right here. That's sort of like an indent that will attach to this white piece. See, that fits just like a glove. You don't need to force that at all. Next is C1. So I'm assuming it's that piece right there. It should technically clip onto that ridge. Feels right. Feels okay. Kinda, not really. And then next is F2, so it's another gold piece. It needs to go along the teeth. Here's the teeth. Ooh, yeah, see, that clips nicely right there. C2. G1. Everything needs to attach to 823. You're gonna turn your 823 over. So these also help to find where those ridges are, to connect that. Ridges help to align and snap on. This teeth is super prickly. Careful. Here's A22, F3 here. Okay, so I think this is the piece we're supposed to attach. So again, use the ridges. Oh, wait, upside down, there we go. And snaps right on. And our final bottom base, yay. This is where you install the individual letters. Wow, that looks good. Then I will attach it to this piece. Hello? There we go. B1 and B2. The bottom piece, make sure you don't cut those on both these pieces. And then you're gonna just snap that on H1. And this one goes back here. That's upside down. Wow, fits so nicely. Oh, that's the little Nissin logo. Oh, I gotta clean that off. So you gotta make sure to really get some of those pieces that stick out. The top one's H6, H5, H4. Oh, I'm just gonna go ahead and add this piece to the front. 17, F4. Oh, clumsy little hands. Why can't I do this? Oh, that makes sense. The longer piece is where that would slip into that little rivet. So here's the bottom piece with this. Snaps onto place in the holes here. Okay, that's easy, but I still can't figure out how to put this freaking piece on. So it took me like at least 20 minutes to figure out. Like, I was hella struggling putting the base and the top on, and I went to go ask Jason for help, and like it wasn't making any sense. Like, it wouldn't clip on. And so I decided to like reread the directions, and there's a tip here that was like the line on the side of the cup should all be lined, which is a very great tip. It's obviously an instruction I didn't read, but that would have helped. And so basically, like, the second white strip that I put on wasn't aligned correctly to the top, so then it threw everything off. All right, well, let's continue, shall we? So here is that white strip. That is a good indicator that you are putting your pieces on together the correct way. We're going to clip on this front face and move on to Noodles. E3 and attach it. E4, E6. Oh, it kind of just like, ooh, snap it together. So the pieces sort of like, they kind of puzzle. So if you've messed up in your organization like me, you could just sort of figure out which one goes where. And it says be careful not to tilt it. Okay, very careful. Stickers. Shrimp. I'm gonna skip the shrimp stickers. I think we get the point. And it's shrimp. Yeah, let's cut all the little, what is this? Is it corn? Pretty sure it's corn. Oh yeah, it's corn. Little beefs. Oh man, I think I have to do the shrimp. It looks kind of cool. Oh, look at all the innards. Oh, wait a second. We're missing the greens. That's what that is. This is a leek. That's so funny. Oh, I love the leeks. The leeks are, oh shoot. That's really my cup noodles right now. Amazing. Okay, now it's time to put the lid. So here's the lid. And when you open the lid, that's so sick. Just close that up very gently, but yes, it looks so legit. I love this so much. Let me see if I can try to take out the front. You can remove the front, it says. You have to be careful. I might ruin this, watch. Oh, I got it, ready? So the front is supposed to remove so that you could see, hello. You can see some of the leaks in the inside. That is so sick. This is so sick. I'm so happy I figured out the cap. Oh my god, that took so long. But this is very impressive. I did it! I finished! Until next time, you guys. See you soon.